Why do I exist? Why am I here in life? So believe it or not, we all have a calling. Some of you may think you don't have a calling, but we all have a calling. We are all here born with a mission on earth. And we need to be able to capitalize that mission with our business. That's the central idea of my presentation today. We will reverse the equation of businesses which believe they need to start with profits, when in fact we need to start with a calling. We're going to impact everything. We will impact the economy, we will impact nature, and then lastly, we will impact being. The being of each one of us, each action we take as a business owner, as a leader, as an executive, will actually impact all the systems that are connected to each other.
And so I reached out to 50 people, and I got 11 people, right, that I interviewed. But many of these 11 people said no to me. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, but you don't give up, right?
It's not about the money, it's about the mindset and the psychology you have about the money. You can have money in a second if you have the right deal and the right mindset. And if you have the right purpose and you know where you're standing.
And I just have one question for you guys. Do you guys feel like you got massive value out of this weekend?
I struggled with that many years ago because I didn't know how much I was worth it. So there is an exercise called time and money with myself, okay? And basically it's as simple as this. Ask yourself how much you're worth it per hour. How much you're worth it per hour, and start charging that.
How you doing? This is Nico Martillo, and I'm with the Chamber of Commerce of Ecuadorian American. And today I'm here at the event, and Natalie has been fantastic. It's my first day actually, and unfortunately I wasn't able to make it yesterday, but the knowledge that I'm gathering today, there's no money in the world that you can buy it.
Hi, my name's Aline, and I'm from Ontario, California, and I'm new to this, and I'm excited to be here and learn from all these professionals today.
Hey, this is Hugo, CEO of Just Digital Inc., and I'm here at the Elite Entrepreneurial Workshop in Beverly Hills. The event has been amazing. The people, the connections, everybody, all the ideas and the networking at this event have been off the charts.
Hi, my name is Jill Love, and I'm really grateful to be in this event. I have met the most amazing, interesting, successful.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Issi. I'm a student from Cal State LA. I traveled from the Inland Empire to come to Natalie's event. What I really enjoyed about this event was you get to talk to professionals and really get to see what their mindset is and take their knowledge and really take it and impact it into your life and really focus on the things and live with a purpose. You know, that's really inspirational for me, and I really enjoyed that. So it was a great event, and I can't wait to find out what more information they have for us.
Like, all of the memorable videos were never made with the desire to sell anything. They were made with the desire to connect with human emotion. and to help human beings and to help people's minds. And that's the step that I see so many people missing out on, because that's the hardest one. That's the one where you really got to dig deep. That's the one where you really got to worry about people's lives. That's the one where you actually have to live with compassion and empathy. And that's the one, funnily enough, that spreads the most on the internet. That's the one, funnily enough, that people care about the most. I've never seen an ad for a course or anything like that go viral. It just doesn't happen. You don't see an ad for a course and go, oh my God, I'm so going to share this tonight. Right? I have to make sure that my million friends see it. No one says that. But when a message touches your heart, you're naturally going to share that with everyone. And that requires you to really, really want to care for people.
My name is Eileen Driscoll and I come from the city of Woodland Hills, and this event is absolutely wonderful, learning a lot and meeting a lot of professionals. Thank you, Natalie, so much. I appreciate it.
I just want to thank Natalie, and I want to encourage everybody to get their copy right here. Live with a purpose.